Hello, dear friends. Welcome to interesting episode of Nostalgia. Friends, we are here not with a fishing video, but from our nostalgia garden. Yes, friends, we are here with our chickens, the chickens that we are breeding out here in our garden. Now, all of these chickens, what you can see in this video, are all village style Kerala chickens. And if to be more simpler, these are all Nadan Koris. And within Nadan Kori itself, Nadan is what you say the village style. They are all different types of breeds, I would say, but all are the natural Kerala style village chickens. Now we have, it's early in the morning out over here, so we have opened the doors for them to be out, and you can see we have quite numbers of chickens out here. And yes, these are all homely. We love them. They are part of our family. That's what I would love to say over here. They are part of our family. And you can see we have opened the doors for our chickens out over here. All are out early in the morning, and we have a roaster with them. This roaster, yes, it's roaster, and the other are all hens are are egg laying hens. What we have over here. So we have the age varies over here. We have a small chickens to the ones that are laying eggs also. Now here in the surroundings, what you see, it's, as I said, it's early in the morning, and we take care of them. So as a morning routine practice, we feed them with rice, or it is wheat and water early in the morning. And then as the day progresses, they keep wandering about in the surroundings out what we have over here. It's a saying out over here, you rather just don't grow the chickens in a closed outlet, but if you leave them to wander about in the nearby surroundings. And where we stay in Kerala, the place in the nearby surrounding, it's very green, lot of greenery out here. So our hens, they don't stay in one specific place. They keep about wandering from places to places all over throughout the from morning till evening. And when they are tired, everybody as in they all stay together. The roaster out over here, it's a fighter roaster. If you see over here, this is also another different breed. Now this rooster is they have tall legs, and the neck is also a little taller ones. Those who know more better about the fighter hens, they will understand that. And I mean, no hardcore rocket science in this, but this is very simple. So as we said, we all in all, we love them the most. So here a different breed, not everyone is of the same breed, they all are different. So and here it is, so they are going behind the roaster. So where he goes, he will take all the hens, will all his ladies will follow him. So there you go, he'll be there as a master, and the other ladies along with him. And this is the place what I was saying just a short while ago, just in our backyard. It's complete greenery, and it's early in the morning. It's around 8:30. The sun is completely risen. The hens are in their spree. So wherever, I mean, we place the food in two different places for them. So they keep wandering about wherever they are. I mean, they don't just eat the food what we serve them, rather they walk about in their own groups. And you can see them playing around and everywhere. And our kids love them the most. I mean, along with their games what they play, the hens are integral part of us. So you can see them most of the time they running around with a stick or something with the hens and playing around with them. Koriyamma, and with the Kori, they are the best friends. There you go, the roaster about with them, and he will keep a close watch monitor over all his ladies who are surrounded by him. So he will make sure that no one is left alone. Even if they are left alone, they will make sure they will run and go behind him wherever he is. So there you can see them. And along with my hens over here, what you can see, we have a small little garden also. I mean, my son is very keen into plants. So he has just recently developed interest. Lockdown period, I would say so. So he has a small lady's finger, lady's finger plant that he's just recently planted. As I show a closer view over here, there are lady's finger okras what have come up on it, and he keeps them watering. So nothing hardcore gardening rules applied over here. Very simple. His simple plant sapling, the seeds were planted, seeds were sown into this soil bed, and he kept watering them. And I think this has taken around 1 to 2 months, and there you go, is lady's fingers have come up on it. And he makes sure, he's completely watering them every day, and he puts in some manure somewhere or the other around for him. Now when we come to the manure part, now the droppings that come out from the hens and chickens, that droppings that is used that's a pure manure, if you see, and that manure is what we use for most of our plants, like garden plants what we have, be it lady's finger, be it the long yard beans what we have, also ivy gourd, or we have some banana plants also along the backyard. Wherever possible, we use the original natural manure. And so having hens, in your garden is an added value to that. It really helps you out in that. So here I'm showing the glimpses of the flowers that are coming out from the plant, and around to it, the merry-go-round, the hens and the chickens are around it always, throughout the day. They keep munching and munching what all comes along the way. There you go. So it's all in all, it's a green environment, and you feel peaceful, and what more you can ask for, what more. And it's really peaceful. Now the weather is also good. I mean, we are nearing towards winter, so the rainy season is also it's not that but it depends. Here I am showing you is some tapioca, the kappa what we have planted. Now these are still small. I mean, I think so it will take another 5 months down the lane for to harvest it. So once they are ready to harvest, I promise I will share that video also with all of you all. So tapioca is something, it's really, everyone is fond of it. You have it with the fresh tapioca, especially from your garden. You don't have words to describe it. I mean, you have it anyhow. You make a dish out of it anyhow you wish to. That's the best thing. Now here along my house, you can find our chickens roaming around all over in, happily and merrily as they can go around. So anywhere in the garden. Now here my daughters, they are, the moment the hen lays eggs, it makes a sound, and my daughters, they know that, hen, mom, they'll shout, "Mama, kori motta itittundu. The hen has put the eggs. Let me go and collect it." So my daughters is busy collecting the eggs out there. Now this, you see the wooden house. This is made of pure natural wood. That is a coconut thing in the tadi. The coconut tree which is there, the wood out of it. With that we have made this hens, the place where our hens are placed, the hens house is what you see. See my younger daughter, she loves it. Wow, she's just in about to speak. So but motta is something, motta is egg. She will make sure she says motta, that's it. My daughter is happily portraying the eggs that she's collected. She's got her collections for the day, and there one is there under the it's hiding, not hiding actually. We have just put a covering for it so that it can one hen can peacefully go there, and we have put some hay across it, so peacefully she can lay her egg. She's out, she's laid her egg. My son has taken it out, there, so that the covering, so that the hen can go. And I'm giving you a view of that egg that our hen has just laid. Friends, this is like, the natural, no hybrid, nothing, the natural food what we consume, for the egg hen what we provide over here. And these eggs are super delicious and all natural, everything. So I friends, we really feel, this is something very interesting that we have shared with you all, and we are so happy, there is no words to explain that we are so happy to share this video with you. We really hope that you all liked it and loved it. And thanks for being part of our nostalgia family, and we will come across with more and more interesting video. Thank you everyone. God bless.